Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be crafting with Arteza products. If you're following my channel, you know I absolutely love their products because they're such a high quality product. Arteza is a company that sells anything that you may need for your crafting needs, for your project making. And if you go on their website, you can find so many wonderful products as well as some blogs and some tutorials. Also, they currently are running a Black Friday sales. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out. Don't miss out on great deals. They also have a YouTube channel where you can find video tutorials, how to use certain products and give you some great ideas. So make sure to go ahead and check them out. I highly recommend them. And I also have a code for you for 10% off, BlondieNextDoor 4, that is valid until December 22nd. And now let me show you what they have sent me this time to craft with. First, they sent me these Arteza paint markers. As soon as I saw them on their website, I knew I wanted them. They come in a package of 40 markers. There's so many wonderful colors. And also in a package, it comes with some exchangeable tips with different width and also with tweezers so you can change them out easily. Next, they sent me these wood panels. I already previously crafted with 8x8. These are 9x12. They come in a package of 5 and I really love that they are real wood. They're sturdy and they have such a great quality. It can be used as a picture or a shadow box. I absolutely love them. Next, I received these premium heat vinyl transfer on sheets. There is 22 colors and just look at these beautiful colors. I cannot tell you which one is my favorite. Next, I received 50 sheets of felt fabric and again, beautiful colors, and they also come, some are softer and some are firmer. So I'm so excited to craft with all these products and show you what I came up with. Okay, DIY number 1. For this project, I'm going to be using this wood panel and also 2 acrylic paints that came from Arteza as well. One is brown and the other one is gray. I watered down the brown paint to create kind of a stain effect, and I painted just a frame. So all over the frame, inside as well, and from the out edge of the frame. I didn't leave this to dry completely when I decided to go over with the gray one because I wanted to create that weathered effect. So I went over 2 times and maybe a few times a little bit on some places where I thought it needed a little more gray color. Then I left this to dry, and after that I'm using this white acrylic paint from Arteza and I am painting the inside of it. I did not use any tape again because my projects are mostly rustic. I am careful, but if there is any kind of mistake, it is totally okay. I left this to dry completely, and then I went ahead and painted, or actually dry brushed that white acrylic paint on top of my frame because I wanted it even further distressed and more weathered looking and rustic. Now I'm going to start painting. First, I'm going to show you these markers. I already shake them up and I pumped it a couple of times so the paint comes through. That's all you need to do. And this is how they work. They are real paint and it is so easy to work with them. I absolutely love them. I knew I'm going to love them, but when I started using them, I fell in love with them. So over here you see me creating this kind of a mountain looking scenery. You will see later what that's gonna be. I actually saw this picture in one of the stores, I don't remember where, and it just stuck in my head, so I was hoping I will be able to recreate it. So I'm going over, as you can see, with different colors, so darker gray and that lighter gray, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get some white color as well, and you just go back and forth, and same like you're painting. And you don't have to be a great painter to create picture like this. Trust me, just try and you will be surprised. You see me over here creating pine trees, and also I don't know if they really look like this, but I just went ahead and painted kind of a lines and added different textures, different colors, and I think at the end they turned out great. But like I said, it seemed like using a paint and brush. Just go back and forth and add some colors that you think they might work. So now you see me adding a white on top of it, and then that's going to kind of make a subtle effect and make them look like they're far away in a fog. You will see me over here in just a second using a paper towel to just smudge it a little bit, because like I said, it is not a real marker, it is a paint marker, so you can really treat it as a paint and make it your own. And now you will see me using my pencil, and I will freehand the words, "Go tell it on the mountain." And after I freehanded with my pencil, I went ahead and I grabbed dark gray marker, and I will exchange the tips. So I wanted the tip to be finer, not that thick. And I shouldn't be doing this above my project, but you learn. Hopefully, I was glad nothing bad happened. So it was so easy. You saw me. I just pulled it out, twisted, and push it back in. And now I'm tracing my words with this marker. And after that, this project will be complete. I think this is definitely one of my favorite projects I made to date. I love how it turned out. I love the colors on it, but most of all, I love the message behind it. And I wanted this season especially to include the real reason for the season in my projects. And I really hope you guys like it and you will give it a try. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Jelena. I'm stay-at-home mom of 2 kids who loves crafting and doing DIY projects anytime I have chance. And I love creating beautiful things for my home that are inexpensive and on a budget. So if that's something that you're interested in and you like to watch, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have so many great ideas and great videos to look at. Subscribe, it is completely free. I would love to have you. Also, look for me on the social media. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. I would love to connect with you. Let's go on to the DIY number 2. For this project, I decided to use these 2 shades of green felt fabric. I already made a template from a cardboard of a holly leaf, and I will be cutting pieces out. So I cut out 5 sets of 2 of the dark green and then 5 light green ones. And now I'm going to just put a little dab of hot glue on the top edge of each of these, and I will pinch it and hold it until it's glued together, like I'm showing you over here. Now again, over here, be careful not to get burned. I did not, but it can happen. So I did this to all of my pieces, and after I was done, it was time to assemble them. So I took 2 darker ones and then I glued them together on top, and then I glued the light green one on top of those. And now I'm taking these pearls that I actually had in my stash. I'm gonna hot glue 3 of them on the top, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the next. This time I'm going to be using the red berry looking pearls that I had also from some last year's projects. And then I'm going to hot glue them. Now I have all of them assembled, and I'm going to take this jute twine from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to start hot gluing them. So I just flipped them around and put some hot glue in the back and added a jute twine to the hot glue. I spaced them out just I just eyeballed it wherever I thought they should look good. And then I alternated a white one in the middle, then red ones were next, and then white ones will go again on the outer edges. And this is it. This is a cute holy garland. I absolutely love how it turned out. It is so darling. And this is again one of the crafts that is so easy but make a statement in your home. And you can certainly do this with your kids, your grandchildren, your godchildren, or anyone that you want to do some crafts with. It is so easy and inexpensive to do. Now I want to remind you that my new videos are always live at Tuesday and Fridays at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, so I hope you will join me. DIY number 3. This is another very easy and inexpensive project to give a statement to your home. I got these tea towels from Walmart. They come in a package of 2, and I already folded this towel in 3, and you will see in just a second how. That way I will know where I want to create my design on, and I will be able to measure it. First, I'm going to iron it to make sure everything is nice and smooth. Then I'm going to take my cutting machine and I will cut out the projects that I decided on. Then I'm using my heat press, and I will just transfer it onto my tea towel. After it was completely dried, I just peel off the sticking, and this is the whole project. It was so easy to make, and I really like how this turned out. I know it is very subtle, maybe it's not for everyone, but this is completely me and I'm in love with this. I hope you like it too. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. It means so much to me. Share this video and subscribe. I would love to have you. Don't forget to use the code BlondieNextDoor 4 for 10% off of Arteza products. Thank you, Arteza, for sending me all these wonderful supplies to make my projects. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.